This is Jason from the QuickBooks team. You can set up a bill approval workflow in QuickBooks so your team can request approval for bills that meet certain criteria, like over a set dollar amount, or from a specific vendor. You just need to have QuickBooks Online Advanced or purchase Bill Pay Elite if you have another QuickBooks plan. Let's go over how to set up users and roles that will work with bills, and then how to set up a bill approval workflow. Before you set up bill approval workflows, you should take a look at your team's roles and permissions. To learn more about how to set up users and roles, check out this video. With your users and roles set up, you're ready to create your bill approval workflow. Note that only admins can set up workflows. Select Workflows, Bill Multi-Conditional Approval. We'll call this workflow Bill Approvals. This workflow triggers when you or someone on your team creates or edits a bill. Based on the dollar amount of the bill, QuickBooks either automatically approves it or contacts someone on your team to look at it before it's approved. In the When This Happens boxes, you choose what you want QuickBooks to look for. And in the Do This box, you choose what you want QuickBooks to do. Select the first When This Happens box. For this condition, QuickBooks looks for bills between $0 and $1,000, but you can change these numbers, or add another condition, like the vendor that sent you the bill, or the terms of the bill. Select Save to confirm any changes. If a bill matches those conditions, this is what happens. And if it doesn't, there's a different result. Select the box to edit or delete what you want QuickBooks to do. Here you see what QuickBooks does if someone on your team records or edits a bill that is between $0 and $1,000. If you want someone to approve the bill, select their name from the list. This is the list of users you set up earlier with Bill Approver Access and admins. Then choose how you want QuickBooks to notify them. Since these bills are lowest on the dollar amount scale, let's just automatically approve them. Select Delete. Then Delete again. If you want to add the action back or add a different condition, select the plus button. Next, set the action you want QuickBooks to perform if you record or edit a bill matching these conditions. Select the Do This box. For this type of bill, you want a team member to approve the bill before you pay it, so select their name from the list. Then select how you want to notify them. Note that if you select email, you'll need to add their email address here, or else it will go to your business's email address by default. Select Save. Make sure to assign someone from your team for any Do This box. You can't save the workflow if you leave any action empty. Note that you can only have one active bill approval workflow, so set up all of the criteria you want QuickBooks to check for in this window. When you've filled everything out, select Save and Enable. QuickBooks lists your new workflow in the My Workflows tab. From here, you can turn the workflow on or off, and also edit or delete it. Now let's take a look at what the approval process looks like. Your team members with the proper permissions can still fill out and save bills, but if they record a bill that meets the conditions you entered, they'll need to submit it for approval. If you assigned someone as the approver for your bill and chose for them to receive a task during the approval workflow setup, they'll see the unapproved bill in Tasks. From here, they can approve the bill. You can also track bills from Expenses, Bills. From here, you can track the approval status of bills and pay them if you have the permissions to do so. If you're an admin, you can pay approved bills and also unapproved bills. Watch this video to learn more about recording and paying bills. Now you're ready to set up bill approval workflows to help automate your work.